Building on 25 years of ATE projects in optics photonics and problem-based learning, curriculum, and professional development, PBL for Advanced Photonics Manufacturing will be partnering with industry to create 8 multimedia PBL challenges on real-world problems in photonics manufacturing. Each online challenge will feature videos showing a global introduction to the technology, an overview of the organization that solved the problem, a reenactment of the organization's project team learning of the problem, a password-protected brainstorming discussion to provide hints to students as needed, and a password-protected presentation of the organization's solution, allowing students to compare and contrast their own solutions. Each challenge contains comprehensive student and faculty resources, including implementation and assessment tools for teacher use. A summer 2021 workshop will be held to introduce the challenges to teachers and faculty, who will then field test them in their own classrooms. Leading up to the workshops, we are joining with the Optical Society to provide 5 webinars introducing optics photonics and the PBL method, both to our participants and an international audience.